How to redeem and use Next gift card online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem and use the Next gift card online, whether you've just received one or you've been sitting on it for a while. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Next website. Just type in next.co.uk in the address bar and you'll be taken to their homepage. Once you're on the Next homepage, browse through the site and add the items you want to buy to your shopping cart. You can find everything from clothing to home goods, and once you're ready, just go to your shopping cart. For example, let's choose this dress and let's add it to our cart. Simply scroll down and find an option that says add to bag. Now let's go to your cart. After reviewing your cart, simply click on the checkout button to start the payment process. Once you're in the payment section, look for the option to enter a gift card. Here you'll need to input your Next gift card PIN number and PIN. This should be located on the back of the card, either under a scratch off area or printed on the front, depending on the card you received. After entering the card details, just click on apply to redeem the gift card balance. The total amount on your card will automatically be deducted from your order. If there's any remaining balance, you can pay that with another payment method like a debit card or credit card. And that's it, you've successfully redeemed and used your Next gift card online.